Hey there, if I could show you how to make $350 every single day for the next 90 days, would you be interested? Now, if you do the math, that's around $10,000 every single month. And I know 99% of you need that cash or could really use that extra money. But here's the catch. I've been doing this for 8.5 years. I've already made millions of dollars online. So I'm not here to sell you some how-to product. Now, 8.5 years ago, when I wanted to work for myself, I came off of working for Homeland Security. I was a professional athlete before that. So let me tell you, I was the most unlikely person to ever make $1 million online. So if I can do this, so can you. But here's the thing, 8.5 years ago, there was no platform for me to plug into. I had to buy a website for dummies. In fact, I read 3 chapters and I threw it in the trash. It was so far over my head, all right? I wish there was a McDonald's, if you will, of internet business back then. I wish there was something all in one place where I didn't have to worry about getting people to a website or build a website or do anything technical for that matter. I didn't have to sell or call people. I wish that existed 8.5 years ago. Well, fast forward to today, that's what I've been working on. So I want to introduce you to a platform that can take anyone off the street, plug them into it, and show them how to make $350 every single day. Now, if you want to make $1,000 a day, I'll show you how to do that too. The bottom line is this. You don't need past experience. It doesn't matter where you come from, how much money you have. If you plug into this and you stay obedient to my system, you can be successful. So here's what I want to do. I want to show you a video next. I'm going to show you some real world people that you would not believe that are making money with this thing. Stay-at-home moms, people in other countries all over the world are seeing results quickly with this. So with that, let's continue on, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.